Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on, and as you can hear, I am sick. I've got this losing my voice because I got sick. Bless my daughter's heart. She brought home the flu, and I think I got some form of something, and the post-nasal drip and all that jazz. So my voice has been kind of crazy, and of course, voiceover work comes in, and I got feedback from one person who was like, "Can we make it a little bit more warm? It doesn't sound as I know, I'm trying." Anyways, I wanted to take time to do a quick video. I posted a video yesterday on Fiverr, and today I wanted to talk briefly about a little quick trick that I find if you do this on Fiverr, it works wonders for you getting booked on Fiverr instead of people constantly contacting you. So the deal here is that for a long time I used to always have an issue with people contacting me, messaging me, instead of just ordering. Like the dream is that people just order, from your gigs, right? They just go to your gigs, Fiverr sends them there, they order, you wake up, you've got jobs. Or you're out somewhere and the phone goes off, ding, we all know that sound, and you got an order. That's the greatest thing. What we don't like is to have to be doing messaging back and forth with people for like an hour, and still no work. So what I like to do, and this is what I want to share with you, it's a short video today. So all you need to do, this will help a lot, in your description section, okay, down at the bottom, before you are done, most people put, if you have any questions, just contact me, all right? And then Fiverr has like 4 different places to contact you, as well as a scrolling contact on the bottom left. But what I want you to do at the bottom of your subscription screen, all right, on the description of your gig, at the bottom, I want you to put, "I'm ready to get started on your job, order now," or "Let's get started, buy now," or "Hit that green continue button and let's get started." Buy now, let's start, buy now. Get them a call of action and have, and say, "Let's get going, let's get started, buy now," instead of "Contact me." Because a lot of people think they're supposed to contact you before they buy from you. Okay, so make sure you do that call of action. When I did this, it literally flipped. I'm not lying to you. I was more like 70-30 custom offers to outright bookings. Now it's flipped. Now I'm 70-30 bookings to custom offers. So it works. All right. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video if you did. Also, check out the 50% off your first month on A VO's Journey Elite Academy. We'd love to have you to help start and grow your voiceover business. My class is tonight, Advanced Voice Acting. So I'm excited about that. Talk to you guys later. Thank you and have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.